Hi, welcome to Inscription Reviews, and well, this is my first video, so welcome. But today I'm going to be reviewing the extra deck Inscryption deck 2-pack I got from Etsy. I'll go and leave the link in the description. But let's go ahead and open this. Really excited about this because I mean I've been waiting a good while, but I already can tell it's going to be worth the wait. Ooh. Nice, comes with artwork from the person that sent it. Now then, let's go ahead and see what else we got on in here. Oh, nice. We got ourselves a Deathly card pack. This package real tightly, I can tell you that much. They say appreciate quality, which is really nice. There we go. Let's see what all we got on in here. Ooh, nice. We got ourselves, I don't know how, but we got ourselves an Act 3 card. An Act 3 Explode Bot card. Don't know how that got there, but it's welcome. We got ourselves a Bonehound. Oh, nice. We got ourselves a Casey Hobbs boss card. I wasn't expecting that to be on in here, but that's pretty cool. Ooh, nice. We got ourselves the Bone Lord's Horn. It's not a bad card. Got ourselves a Revenant as well. Let's see what else we got. Oh, nice. We got the skeleton ship, or ghost ship, however you like to call it. Got ourselves a draw guard. Not a bad card either. Oh, nice. We got ourselves a Skeleton Mage card. Now that there's a good card if you ever be run with magic decks. Not bad. Classic skeleton, can't go wrong with it. Another skeleton. Let's see. Another skeleton. Ooh, got ourselves a leap pot though. That's nice. Got two steel mices actually. Here we go. Got two of them right there. That's the artwork in case you were wondering. We got ourselves a sarcophagus as well. As well, though, dang it. As well, the Mummy Lord. There we go. Now we got an Act 2 Explode Bot. And ending it off, we got ourselves a Leap Bot as well. More on in here. Oh. Oh, okay. That explains a lot. Right on the message. But dang. We've got ourselves, not sure if I can get that out there, but we've got ourselves Mycologist Spore Grave Digger, as well in the back, if you can't tell from the sigil and health. So got a regular Grave Digger on in here. Probably have to figure out how to get that out later. Nice, we got ourselves even more Deathly cards. There we go. Alright, see what we got on in here. Ooh, got ourselves an Act 1 Stink Bug. That's actually a really nice artwork. Got ourselves an Automaton. Got ourselves a Thick Droid. We got Ruby Mox. got a emerald box. Another ruby box. Ooh, we got ourselves two grave diggers. Real nice cards. Oh, make that 3 grave diggers, 4 grave diggers. Very nice. Oh, nice. We got ourselves shoot, the Headless Horseman. This thing goes about like $5 if I'm right on Etsy. Now that's a pretty good draw there. It's a rare card, so you can tell it's rare because on the outside as well with the glistening underneath it. Got ourselves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra skeletons. Very nice. Ooh, and we got ourselves 3 squirrels. And ending it all off, we got ourselves the burrowing trap. Very nice cards. Again, though, I'll go and put a link in the description where I got them from. But I ain't gonna lie, I got this for I think like $10-12 if I'm right. And that is very well worth it. I got extra cards. I mean, that's a good power there. Anyways, I hope y'all have a good day, and thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a good day. See you next time.